Hello children, I'm Miss Anushka. Welcome to our maths lesson for grade 3 on Abacus.
1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, 6 units, 7 units, 8 units, 9 units.
Hi Rosie, what are you doing?
Hello, Miss Anushka. I was filling this number house with units.
If I add 1 unit to the 9 units, I will obtain one group of 10. You can even represent it on an abacus. An abacus is an object which is made of rods, fixed on a base, with some beads. It is used for counting or representing a number.
What happens if I add another group of 10?
Well, with two groups of 10, you obtain 2 tens, which is equal to 20. I'm now going to represent 20 on an abacus. Since one blue bead represents 1 10, so I will slide 2 beads on the rod representing tens. 1, 2. Notice the rod representing unit is empty, so we write 0 under it.
What about adding 3 units?
Let me explain, Rosie. Well, 2 tens makes 20, plus 3 units makes 23. To represent this on the abacus, I will slide 2 beads on the rod representing tens. 1, 2, and 3 beads on the rod representing units. 1, 2, 3. Let's practice. How will you represent 4 units on the abacus? Slide 4 beads on the rod which is on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units. Since there are no tens, we can write 0. The answer is 4. For the second example, how will you represent 2 units and 5 tens? Slide 2 beads and write 2 units under the rod representing units. Then slide 5 beads on the rod representing tens and write 5. 2 units plus 5 tens makes 52. So the answer is 52, and we can even write it in words. What about this one, Rosie? Notice that there are no units, so no beads, and we write 0. And there are 4 tens, so we put 4 beads in the rod representing tens. Four tens makes 40, so the answer is 40. We write it in both words and figures. Refer to your grade 3 maths book on page 53, children. Later, you can do exercise 1 on your own or with the help of your parents. Game time now, children. Here is Rosie's date of birth. However, the date is missing. You will have to guess the date of birth. I will give you a hint. Work out the numbers onto this abacus and you will get the answer. Count the number of beads on the rod representing units and the number of beads on the rod representing tens. I'm sure you will get the answer.
Yes, that's correct. I was born on the 15th of April 2013.
Another activity. Can you guess how many potatoes there are in this bag? I'll give you a hint. Count the number of beads on the abacus and you will get the answer. Yes, the answer is 64. Please refer to your grade free maths book on page 50, free children. For exercise 2, draw the correct number of beads on each abacus to show the given numeral. In this exercise, you need to write units and tens on top of the numbers before drawing the beads. Of course, you will have ample time to do the work at home.
Yes, now I know how to do it.
That's all for today, children. See you for our next lesson.
Created by Udian.